DHgate coupon code and promo codes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about DHgate, and I'm going to be telling you how you can apply their promo codes and coupon codes on it. So let's get into it. Now, if you want to find some promo codes and coupon codes, make sure you check the link in the description below. I'll take you to the website, and along with the link you'll also find some promo codes as well that you can apply on your products. Now, DHgate mainly sells products in wholesale, so it is very similar to AliExpress. It is very similar to Temu and other websites like those, but what differentiates DHgate is that they only sell in bulk. So whatever order or whatever product you want to buy from it, you're gonna have to buy it in bulk. So for example, let's say these socks, right? Or yeah, let's say these socks, right? Open them up over here, and in these socks we got all these different, well, I think that was not the sock, that was like a category of some sort, but let's go with this one, right? These are like trending products, and here you can see that if I want to buy it, the minimum order is 1 piece. Okay, that's pretty cool. But here you can see 1 piece plus, but if I want to buy more, gotta buy this one right here. So here you can see max order. So you can see you can, sometimes it depends on products, but other times you gotta buy them in bulk. So for example, like these ones, these are kind of like Labubus, or well, not actually, but it is. So these one are also, you can buy them 1, 3, 5, and 10. But some products are in bulk, so you got to keep them. So you got to keep that in mind. So, but yeah, once you find the product that you like, then you just simply come over here, click on buy now or add to cart. It totally depends on you. Click on buy now and fill out this form, and then just here apply the promo code and coupon code, and you should be good to go. It's as simple as that. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those codes. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.